You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this name, the name of this commune or town or locale? In the south of France, in French, in France, it is said as La Ciotat. The T is silent at the end. If you want to learn more names from the French Riviera that too many people mispronounce, make sure to stay tuned. La Ciotat is how it's said it in France. Now in English you can say it as La Ciotat, La Ciotat. Now you know. Enjoy your stay in France. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.